guys, Lulu from Boho Locs here, and I'm so excited because I'm doing a tutorial that I've never done before. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys two techniques to install our brand new, beautiful, stunning Boho Butterfly Locs. Can I, wait, let me just show you these locks, and they're incredible. I love it. I don't even know what to say. Words can't describe how I feel about these locks. Obviously, every pack comes with 3 jewels. But our Boho Butterfly Locs were designed over a period of a year because there was a specific texture I wanted. There was a feel I wanted. I wanted the locks to have a lot of movement. There are lots of butterfly locks on the market. Some of them are a little bit stiff. Didn't want that. I didn't want them to have any different color in the inner core. I wanted them to have a fluffy, high textured look, and I'm just blown away. I'm blown away with these locks. I'm so excited. What is very, very exciting about these locks though is that you can install them 2 ways. So you can do individuals, which I'm going to do on this side, and you can do traditional crochet that I'm going to do on this side, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what to do. And of course you wouldn't do half and half because that's maybe a little strange, but you would either do full individual or full traditional style, and here's how you're going to do it. So before I go into the install itself, I want to talk about these locks. So these are Boho Butterfly Locs, and they're our new collection, which we're so excited to be bringing to you guys. We have got them in 4 colors, and these are our Midnight Boho Butterfly Locs in long, which is 20 inches. In each pack, you get 72 locks. As you can see, this is a lot of hair. So these are our Boho Butterfly Locs. Check them out. Check out the texture. Okay, so if you're going to do a full traditional Boho Loc style install, you are going to cane row most of your hair going back, and you're going to leave a row in the front for individuals because we feel like individuals in the front gives you a more natural look when you're parting the hair, etc. So what you will do, you will generally have 8 cane rows going back. Obviously I have 4 because I'm going to show you guys 2 different styles, but you just have the cane rows going straight back, and then they're going to join up along the nape of the neck. When you're braiding down, you're going to braid down and you're going to pull the preceding cornrow into the one coming up, if that makes sense. The end of it is going to go braided into the next one, and then you're going to seal it either using weaving needle and thread, or you can just do like I've done, and I've basically just crocheted the hair in so you can't really see where the end of the hair is. This is a traditional style. We also then do some individuals in the front hairline. Roughly works out to be 12 because off the middle parting, I'll do 6 on one side and 6 on the other. On the individual side, it's basically I've taken this concept of these individuals' hair and I've just done them all over the head. So basically the spacing is roughly about 1.5 centimeters squared is what you're looking to do, and you're just going to braid your natural hair down. At the end you can do a twist, which I've done. I've sort of braided it and then I put a twist in the end, and this is now ready to crochet over. So I'm going to start with the traditional side first of all. So you're going to get your Boho Butterfly Loc, and the first thing you're going to do is just pull down the top to make the loop a little bigger at the top, so we've got a bigger space here. And then we're going to go ahead and install. So I'm going to actually start on the main cornrows, and then I'll do the individuals at the end. So to crochet, we're going to go under, pull it through, go onto the end, pull that through, and then we're going to tighten. So there we have it. That's gone in. So I have started on the individuals here. I just did 1 row to show you guys how it looks. So you can part completely in between, no hair is poking out, and it just basically looks like you went to a salon and got them done. But the thing is, instead of it taking 8 hours to install in a salon, in the comfort of your own home, you can do this in around about 2 hours. So I'm going to show you how to do it. You're going to need duckbill clips at this point because you want to separate the hair away so you can work neatly. So I'm going to go for this one first. I'm working in rows from front to back, roughly. They're not obviously completely straight rows, but roughly rows from front to back. And first thing we're going to do is get the crochet lock. and we're going to open it up. So we're going to pull the top down to release the loop and to make it much bigger. So we've got this big loop here. We're going to select the braid, go under, latch on, close, pull through, get to the end and pull through again. And it's on. I'm going to seal it up and we're going to push the lock back up. Ta-da! So that's why we have the like open close mechanism on the lock, so we can seal it back. Then we're going to take our crochet needle back into the middle, all the way up. Poke out near the top, natural hair in and pull through. And there we have it. If you have more hair hanging out, which I do here, what you're going to do is just go a little bit further down, push through, grab that hair and pull it through. And then hair is hidden and we are done. So I'm going to finish up. So here are the results, guys. I have installed my Boho Butterfly Locs in Midnight and I love it. This is the individual side, which I'll show you here. We got, just looks like I went to a salon and had it done. We have the regular crochet, which you can see here. It probably takes slightly longer to do the individual method, but I wouldn't say more than 30 to maybe 45 minutes longer. Really, it doesn't take that much longer at all. But I suppose it gives you more versatile options when it comes to styling. So it is quite a cool way to get your locks installed. And I'm so happy that these look so good as individuals because I just love it. It's a great look. So these are installed and I used nearly the full pack. I think I've got 5 or so left. And I think I went a little bit heavy. You don't have to have it this full at all. So this is like the full pack, near enough. But you could also, of course, use less than this. This is probably a little bit fuller than I would have anticipated I would do, but hey, it's all good. I still love it. So if you have any questions, any comments, anything you want to share with us, please do hit us up at info@boholocs.com or in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Have a great day. Bye.